know that there are some features that you're going to turn on, and by turning that feature on, your videos might not be getting any view at all. 0 views. Yes, because in this YouTube platform, in this YouTube street, many big YouTubers or even small YouTubers, they will come up here to tell us, please go and turn this off, go and turn that on, go and turn this on, go and turn that off. And when you go and turn it off or on, you will not get any valid change at all. No views, no subscribers, nothing, no watch hours, nothing. Now, let me tell you something. When you are asked to go and turn this off, go and turn that on, please make your own research. Carry out your own research to know if that particular setting that you want to apply will work or not. And even if you apply that particular setting, maybe the feature is turned off and then they said you go and put it on, and you went ahead to put it on. Observe the views you are getting from that particular video that you turned that feature on. Observe the views. If the views is not increasing, that means that feature, by turning it on, did not work. You can go ahead and turn it off. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you the particular setting that you need to turn off. If you want to be having the massive views, watch hours, subscribers, you want YouTube to be recommending your videos, go and turn this setting off. So if this is a video you like to watch, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and let me show you these 2 settings you need to fix right now. Let's go right into our YouTube studio. This is our studio desktop version, which is our channel dashboard. So now what you need to do is to click on any video that you want to turn off the settings. Maximize for a better view. Click on content. So these are all the videos, and then now you're going to select the particular one you want to adjust this change. Okay, so click on the video title, then you scroll down, then you see show more. Click on show more. Keep scrolling. So now when you get to this place, you see publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. So if the setting is on for you, YouTube will only be suggesting your videos to your subscribers. They will first suggest your videos or recommend your videos to your subscribers, and the fact that you're not having enough subscribers, the few subscribers that you are having might not click on your video to watch it. And when YouTube finds out that your subscribers did not watch your videos, they will stop recommending your videos because your subscribers did not watch your videos. So what am I trying to say with this is that when you have enough subscribers, that is when you're going to turn on this publish to subscriptions and to notify your subscribers. When you have enough subscribers, that's when you are going to tick this publish to subscriptions good, or you turn it on. But if you're having low subscribers, fewer subscribers, you need to turn it off. Okay, but it is not compulsory. It is optional. You can decide to leave it on the way you are having it on your dashboard, or you can decide to put it off. It depends on you. All right, some people might put it on and then YouTube will recommend their videos to their subscribers, and then their subscribers will click on the video and watch it, while to others, their subscribers will not even watch the videos since they are having fewer subscribers. But it differs. All right, so it's your choice to put it on or off. For me, I'll decide to put my own on. So that is it for the first settings you need to turn off. Second setting that you need to put in place in your YouTube dashboard is the subtitles. You know, each videos you upload on your YouTube channel, you need a subtitled language. Do you get? For example, in Nigeria, we speak English, aside from the three major languages we have in Nigeria. So when you upload a video in Nigeria, people from UK, USA, Canada, Australia, Philippines, India, and then France are watching your videos, and then they do not understand the video language, which is English. So now when you add a language to that video, it will generate more views for you, because why? The English language which you are speaking in your video is being translated into their own language. Let me show you how you can do it. You click on subtitles. Then what you need to do next is to select the video you want to add a translated language to. Let me pick this one for example. What you need to do next is to click on add language. The language will pop up, all the languages is going to pop out. So I'm just going to pick French. And then you click on this dash here and click on this pencil icon. So as you can see here, there is no translated language in this French. What you're seeing here is auto translate, type manually, auto sing, and then upload file. I want to click on this auto translate. I want to translate the English in the video to a French language. And now the auto translate here is showing faint. It is not clear enough. We want it to be very bold for us to click on it. We want it to be clickable. So what are you going to do? You need to go back to that language interface, which is this place. And then you click on the English, that is the set language of your video, which is English. Click on this publish, click on the publish. Make sure your English language is showing publish here. Your English language is showing publish. If it's not showing publish, click on it and then you publish it. Click on this publish to bring these three options, which is the pencil icon and the delete symbol and then these three dots. What you need to do is to click on the pencil icon and then to show you overwrite track. This will overwrite your existing English caption. You click on continue. So it has brought out the English language of my video. All right, so if you are okay with this write-up, you can just click on publish. But if you're not okay with it, you can type in some corrections. All right, and then you come straight to this right hand top of the screen. You see publish there. You click on publish. Now we're going back to the French language we added. Click on this dash icon. Click on the icon. So it's translating the English to French. All right. So now the auto translate button is bold enough for us to click. It is clickable now. So we're going to click on it. So we want to translate it, the English language to French. Look at it. They're all translated into French. So now we're going to come to the right top of our screen. And then we're going to be clicking on publish. We want to publish the French language. So make sure you click on publish. So now our French language is added to this video. So you can add as many languages you want to. So you can click on the add language. That's it, guys. So with these two settings, your watch hours, your views, and your subscribers will definitely count and increase. Thank you for watching to the end. I so much appreciate it. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment on it so that it will go to a lot of people out there who need this information. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.